Listen here, kid. You don't drive to get from point A to point B. You drive to survive. Otherwise, these mean streets will eat you alive.
What?
Welcome to GTA Driving School, where I show you how it really is on the streets.
GTA as in Grand
Great times always. Now, let's talk hand placement on the wheel.
10 and 2. That's what it says in the handbook.
Yeah, if you're driving the school bus to Lameville, I like to put one hand at noon and one hand on my heart attack energy drink. Woo!
That is definitely not right.
Now you're at a red light. What do you do if some phony-looking chud pulls up next to you?
Wait till the light turns green.
Wrong. Rev your engine, throw your stale fries through their window, and let them suck your exhaust.
Why would I throw stale fries out the window?
Well, you don't want to waste your fresh ones. Oh, green light, for it!
This is a 30-mile-per-hour zone.
Speed limit is just a state of mind. I said crank it, Krampus.
I'm on the wrong side of the road.
It's not wrong. It's European. Plus, it's a power move. Okay, this is a good learning experience. Watch closely.
Please don't.
15L27, we got a psycho on our hands headed east-northeast.
You're driving on the wrong side of the road, genius!
You're gonna be on the wrong side of my nerves if you don't move it, Grandma!
Psycho!
Now, what did we learn there?
That you're a psycho.
If you were watching closely, you'll notice I signaled with my hands, looked over my shoulder, and I called her a grandma while staying under the speed limit.
Where did my mom find you again?
Greg's List?
Do you mean Craigslist?
No, I do not. Now let's go steal that helicopter.
Oh.